coming to our most recent talk series event. So I mean, talk series event is this is basically a leadership talk series organized by the Center for Enterprise and Society, CES. Amra ekta gobeshona kendra, a research center. So Amra asha korbo je you will pay very close attention to our speaker for today. Our speaker for today is Mr. Ehsan Khan Chaudhary. He is the GMD of Pran Group. আপনাদের request করব যে আপনারা in addition to your coursework, we have a Q&A session after this presentation from Mr. Ehsan Khan. So the Q&A session, please take advantage of it. Ask questions about what you can do in the sector that Pran is a pioneer in. Ask about career prospects available. And above all, hope you enjoy the talk. Thank you. And with this, I'd like to invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor to come and introduce Mr. Ehsan Khan Chaudhary.
Good morning, everybody. It's really my pleasure, absolute pleasure, to welcome to ULab Mr. Ehsan Khan Chaudhary. He came in a bit early, and we were having coffee upstairs, and he was telling me that this is the first time he has stepped into a private university. Is that correct? Wow, let's give him a rousing welcome. And ULab is the first private university that has had the honor of welcoming Mr. Ehsan Khan Chaudhary. So let me tell you a bit about our guest speaker of today. Mr. Ehsan Khan Chaudhary completed his Bachelor in Arts, majoring in accounting, from Wartburg College, Iowa. This was to speak to. This is a very, very small but very renowned liberal arts university, like we are. After completing his studies, he returned to Bangladesh and joined as director of Pran RFL Group. He rose up the ranks and is currently the chief of operations and deputy managing director of the group. Over the last 22 years, Mr. Khan, led by the vision of his father, has led the company from its growth state to its present dominant state locally and globally. Currently, Pran RFL Group has production facilities in 13 different locations, built over 500 acres, employing 74,000 people and another 100,000 contractual farmers. So those are impressive numbers. I mean, you are very lucky to be listening to somebody who's coming from that pedigree, that background. And I hope all of you, take this opportunity. Question Jesh Koban, he's one of the best speakers I've known. The other connection, by the way, I must tell you this. Arekta connection ache amar sathe Asaner. Ami Asani rakchi jehetu amar choto. Seta hocche St. Joseph School. Right? We both studied in St. Joseph School. Not the same class. It was a couple of years younger. Tarpore only marginally amar improve hoyeche. So we were both fortunate enough to study in this wonderful school. I'm sure you all have come from different wonderful schools. And well, without further ado, I would now like to welcome Mr. Ehsan Khan Chaudhary on the stage to give his talk. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. Thanks, Stephen Bhai. He's our motivation, inspiration, and I really, really value our relationship. So when he said that I'm going to come to ULab and talk to you guys, I was thrilled and I was very happy to be here. So I think, the danger thing is when I start talking about my company, it's very difficult to stop me. So even Bhai, so you are going to be the one to be doing the job of a navigator. So that we are focused on the time. আমার সাথে কথা বলার প্রথম শর্ত হলো আমার সাথে কিন্তু কথা বলতে হবে. If you don't talk to me, then I don't get thrilled and I don't enjoy it. Right? So the way we can maximize our return of our time today, that if you keep on communicating. So my first question, which is the best university in Bangladesh? No. We cannot go like this. So you have to be charged up with energy. If you don't have energy, you are not going to go up. So the journey and the lesson that we are going to share is a journey of going up. So which is the best university in Bangladesh? Right, that's good. So we are going up. Which is the best university that is coming for the world? All right. Which is the best university that the world is going to experience? All right. So that's good. So if you have that kind of attitude, I think the story of Pran is start small, become big. Start from local, become global. So Imran bhai, I must compliment you. When you were picking up the topics, I think that you really did a wonderful job. That how Pran rose from a small local company to be a global company, or we are trying to become a global company. So our business was started by 31 years ago. Like say, it was started by my father. My father was a very simple guy. Like say he was in the military, and he came from a very modest background in Bangladesh, which makes me very proud. So I grew up in cantonments of Bangladesh. So that was wonderful. And then my father started his business 31 years ago. He was a military general, but he didn't understand anything on business. But he had a desire that I want to have an organization. I want to build a business. So he started Pran. And then he started Pran with his pension money. So my mother had some property, which he kept as collateral, and father started his business with the pension money that he had. So that makes me very proud, because the money of Pran is very hard earned, and we try to maximize the return that we get from our money. So it was started 31 years ago. Very small factory. We had a small factory in Gorashal, right? It was almost like a 7-acre factory. Somebody did a factory many years ago, could not run it. So that's how Pran started. It looks like a kitchen. And actually, that is the story of Pran. It started very small. But when you start very small, it never stops you to become big. So that's why I asked, which is the best university in Bangladesh? Which is going to be the best university in the world? No, we are slow. We have to feel something. If you feel something, it has to come from your heart. And if you feel something that is coming from your heart, your action level becomes like an electron, so you can do very well. And that's the story of Pran. My goal, I consider myself to be a motivator for my people in our office. So if you stay with me, like say, you will see that you are full of energy, and you start flying, and you start doing great things for the company. So that's how we started. Again, like say, now today we are everywhere in Bangladesh. We have got built up bigger factories everywhere, larger and larger. Like I said, so our factories are becoming larger, because I feel very strongly about our beautiful country called Bangladesh. Consumption is endless. You can sell whatever you can produce. মানে এখানে কিন্তু মানুষের কনজাম্পশনের কিন্তু কোনো ঘাটতি নাই. So Manush can tell you a lot of things about Bangladesh, but I am a classical example that what Bangladesh can give. I think Bangladesh has given us Pran, and Pran has put up huge factories across the country. So we have got many factories in many different parts of the country, and we'll build many more. So Manush আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করে, this is a very large factory in Gorashal which we have built. This is we call it Pran Industrial Park. This is probably the largest factory in the northern part of the country called Pran Agro Limited. Again, Gorashal, we started. So, philosophy is very clear. United States has a population of 350 million. We have got 160 million in Bangladesh, right? And if you are a Bangladeshi, Pran is for you, right? So our goal is that we try to sell almost like 70 to 80% of our product which are priced below 5 taka. If you consider yourself too rich, don't consume Pran. If you consider yourself to be a Bangladeshi, please consume a lot of Pran, because Pran is meant for Bangladesh, right? So when you give me an option that একটা product introduce করতে হবে, like said, my guys were trying to come up with a product called donut, right? So I went to one shop in Gulshan which was selling donut at 150 taka. Our target price of Pran is going to be 10 টাকায় আমরা বাংলাদেশে donut বিক্রি করব. Right? So we have introduced a new product called All Time Bread. My driver has the breakfast with All Time Bread, and I use the same bread when I'm having breakfast. And that's the beauty of Pran. That Pran is for the mass of the country. So today we are in all the different food categories. We are in juices, drinks, confectionery, culinary, and it keeps on going. আমাকে মানুষ জিজ্ঞেস করে, ভাই আপনার পেটের খিদা যতক্ষণ মিটতেছে না, প্রাণের প্রোডাক্টের চাহিদা ততক্ষণ কমবে না. So we'll continually come up with newer and newer and newer products every day. Whatever we see in the world, our goal is to bring for Pran, right? So whatever the world requires, we will try to bring it for Pran and make food more affordable and available for our consumers. That's the philosophy of Pran as a company, right? So that's something that we want to do. So juices, snacks, confectionery, dairy, culinary products. Wherever we see the potential in terms of food, we try to develop those same food products and try to bring in all the categories of food products. যখন আমরা বাংলাদেশে প্রথম মার্কেট করছিলাম, so we didn't have a lot of product requirement in the country, but gradually as we went along, we tried to see what are the requirements, what are the potential. So we came up newer and newer products every day, and we tried to develop different food categories products that we are going to do. So category keeps on increasing every day. What did we do? আমাদের প্রাণের যেটা প্রথম ছিল, we dreamt big, right? So আমার বাবার সবসময় স্বপ্ন ছিল আমি খুব ভালো ব্যবসা করব. He was a military general but always studying business books, right? So always he wanted to be in business, and he had great dreams. So আমার বাবা সবসময় আমার দাদিকে বলতো যে আমরা একদিন, মা তুমি দেখবা একদিন আমরা প্লেনে করে বিভিন্ন ফ্যাক্টরি কারখানাগুলো ভিজিট করব. So today আমার নিজের হেলিকপ্টার নাই, আর সময় সময় যখন আমার মেহমান আসে আমি হেলিকপ্টারে করে বিভিন্ন ফ্যাক্টরি যাই. So that is what we call dream big. এটা কিন্তু ভাবের জন্য না, এটা কিন্তু ব্যবহারের জন্য, চাহিদার জন্য, সময় বাঁচানোর জন্য. So Pran had a huge dream, started small but gradually became very big. Pran worked very hard. You probably cannot imagine how hard Pran works. If you say, bhai, like say when I was a student from the same school that Imran bhai studied and myself studied, and then I went to Notre Dame College. So if you want to know, bhai, what is the biggest, strongest point in life, bhai, please work very hard. You might be very smart. Many people in the world are very smart, but please work hard. So, the collective summation of people working hard in Pran is very hard, very high. আপনি সবসময় দেখবেন, বাজারে যখন দেখবেন নীল শার্ট পরা লোকজন ঘুরতেছে, এরা কিন্তু প্রাণের লোক. সো আজকে কিন্তু আপনাদের মিটিং আসার জন্য I was telling with Imran ভাই, যে ভাই দেখেন রাস্তায় জামে পড়ছি. So I told my secretary, দেখো তো কোনো নীল শার্ট পরা লোক পাও কিনা. So নীল শার্ট পরা লোক পাই কিনা. So আমাকে বলছে স্যার পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না. আমি ঠিক আছে আমি নামতেছি. আমি গাড়ি থেকে নামলাম, আমি নীল শার্ট দিয়ে শুরু করলাম. সো আমি একটা নীল শার্ট পরা লোক পেয়ে গেলাম রাস্তায়, ওর পিছনে আমি মোটরসাইকেলে চাপলাম, আরেকটু আগালাম, জামে পড়লাম, আবার হাঁটলাম, আরেকটু আগালাম, আরেকটা নীল শার্ট ধরলাম, right? So what I'm trying to say is, collective hard work of Pran is very high because our people are always on the road like us. So so you will see that Pran people are across the country, and I will tell you how we are working hard across the world. So strong HR is a great focus at Pran. Like I said, that আমাদের HR এর philosophy হচ্ছে যে ভাই আপনি আপনার যখন বয়স খুব কম, আপনি যখন জাস্ট ইউনিভার্সিটি থেকে বের হচ্ছেন, আপনাকে আমরা প্রাণে নিয়ে আসবো. You have studied a lot of things academically from ULab. We will bring you to Pran School of Business. So Pran School of Business tells you whatever you have learned in the university, you are going to use 100% of whatever you've learned. And after that, we will give you a lot of energy from Pran. We will change your mindset, and your mindset will tell you to work harder, further. So strong HR is a great plan for Pran which we have worked on. We are very, very brand-oriented people. Like I said, and we are not shy about our brand. We are very, very strong, very, very robust, very, very bullish about our brand. Right? আমরা প্রাণকে নিয়ে গর্ব করি যে পৃথিবীর প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলে আমরা প্রাণকে আজ পপুলারাইজ করছি, এবং উত্তরভাবে প্রাণ কিন্তু এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে. প্রথমে বাংলাদেশ থেকে শুরু করেছিলাম, ব্র্যান্ড প্রমোশন শুরু করেছিলাম, এখন ভারতে করছি, অনেক দেশে করেছি, আপনাকে দেখাবো. সো প্রমোশন অফ ব্র্যান্ড ইজ a very, very strong philosophy for Pran. আগে দাম কম বলে প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি হতো, এখন ব্র্যান্ড ভালো বলে প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি হয়. So it's a combination of product getting available and also a strong emphasis on the brand building, and distribution network is everywhere, right? So anybody here from Panchagod district? Anybody here from Panchagod? Anybody from Bhola? Anybody from Bhola? Anybody from Monpura? Anybody from Bhola, Poduakhali, Borguna, Jhalapati? Anybody from that part, southern part of Bangladesh? No? Okay, good. So wherever you are from, you can have to just step out of your house, you will find Pran, and that's the philosophy of Pran, that we are going to make food available in every doorstep of this country as well as for the countries that we operate, and we try to focus on the thing. So dream big. Ambitions of Prans are very crazy ambition. Last year one of the biggest food company of the world came to me, বলছে ভাই আপনি লোক খুব ভালো, বাট আমার মনে হয় আপনার বুদ্ধিটা একটু কম. আপনি যদি আপনার কোম্পানিটা যদি আমার কাছে যদি বিক্রি করে দেন, I will give you $1 billion. ঠিক আছে, আপনি যদি আপনার কোম্পানিটা আমার কাছে বিক্রি করে দেন, আপনাকে আমি 8,000 কোটি টাকা দিব. আপনাকে আমার কোম্পানির চেয়ারম্যান বানাবো বাংলাদেশের জন্য. আপনি সারা সময় বসে থাকবেন এবং আপনি খালি অফিসে আসবেন সপ্তাহে একবার বোর্ড মিটিং করার জন্য, 1 ঘন্টার জন্য আসলেই যথেষ্ট, বেশি আসবেন না. 8,000 কোটি টাকা আপনাকে দিব, আপনি এই কোম্পানিটা নিয়ে আপনি বসে থাকেন. So if this proposal came to me, I came and talked to my people. Option 1, sell Pran. Option 2, have a plan to buy that company which came with $1 billion to pay you to sell your company. Yes, this option our people chose. বলছে স্যার এখন বেচেন না, কয়েকদিন পরেই বেচবো, দেখি না চেষ্টা করে যদি কোম্পানিটাকে যদি আগামীতে আমরা কিনতে পারি কিনা. So that is what I mean by dreaming big. And see, when you are studying in ULab, believe me, ULab is a good university. It makes me very proud when I walk through your campus. I feel happy as a Bangladeshi that you are studying well. And I feel that, I keep on saying this to young people all the time. a younger Bangladeshi is a brighter Bangladeshi. That's my biggest slogan that I have in my company. A younger Bangladeshi is a brighter Bangladeshi because of institutions like ULAB, which are really, really helping you to become a better person in the world. So, praner byapare ami apnake bolbo, always dreaming big, right? So that's something that we believe in pran. So আমরা যখন প্রথমে যখন বেভারেজ ছেড়েছিলাম, মানুষ ভাবতো না যে আমরা বেভারেজে সফল হব কিনা, বলতো যে ভাই আপনার মাথা খারাপ কিনা যে আপনি বেভারেজ ছাড়ছেন, কোকা-কোলা আছে, পেপসি-কোলা আছে, কম্পিটিশন করে কেমনে পারবেন? আমরা বললাম ভাই ছেড়ে দেখি না, যদি মানুষ খায়, বাঙালিরা খাচ্ছে, পৃথিবীর মানুষ খাচ্ছে এবং উত্তর কিন্তু কোম্পানির গতি বেড়েই চলেছে। সো ড্রিম বিগ করেছিলাম বলেই আজকে কিন্তু প্রাণ এখানে এসেছিল। ওয়ার্ক ভেরি হার্ড, আই অলরেডি টোল্ড ইউ, সো দ্যাটস সামথিং। এইচআর, প্রাণের কিন্তু সবকিছু কিন্তু এইচআর এবং এইচআর। ইউ নো, আমি কিন্তু সবসময় বলি যে we don't employ staff, we work with all maliks, you know. So when you work for Pran, you are not a staff, you are not an employee, you are an owner of Pran. So when I talk to my driver, I tell him to behave like an owner. When I talk to my delivery man, I tell him to behave like an owner. When I talk to a marketing guy, I tell him to behave like an owner. And this is something that is the philosophy of Pran, that we would like people to behave like owners of the company, right? So that you can really help yourself to grow the company further. So strong HR is something that is there. This study is not this is not coming well. I am very proud of the people who make Pran, people who work for Pran, right? And my people that are my most favorite are the sales people of Pran. I consider myself to be the salesperson number 1 for Pran. So আমি আপনাকে কয়েকটা উদাহরণ দিব যে মানুষজন পৃথিবীতে কিভাবে প্রাণের জন্য আত্মত্যাগ করেছে বিভিন্ন সময়। সো আমাদের ধরেন লাইবেরিয়াতে ভালো ব্যবসা আছে। ইমরান ভাইয়ের সাবজেক্ট ম্যাটার ছিল যে how Pran became local to global. So I thought I would share with you some examples how Pran became local and became global. So আফ্রিকাতে আমরা খুব ভালো ব্যবসা করি। আফ্রিকাতে যখন ইবোলা হচ্ছিল, প্রাণ কিন্তু প্রচুর পণ্য সামগ্রী ওখানে বিক্রি করছিল, রাইট? কিভাবে বিক্রি করছিল? যে প্রাণের একটা সৈনিক ওখানে ছিল, প্রাণের একটা বিক্রয় প্রতিনিধি ওখানে ছিল। This man was trying to sell Pran to the consumers in Liberia. Our company did not close its shop because of life risk. So it makes me very proud as a person in Pran that one of my colleague was working in Liberia in that difficult time. যখন নেপালে আর্থকুয়েক হচ্ছিল, বাংলাদেশেও আর্থকুয়েক হচ্ছিল। You know, we were all very scared. যেদিন নেপাল যখন ভূমিকম্প হচ্ছিল, বাংলাদেশেও কিন্তু ভূমিকম্প হচ্ছিল। So I called my guy that তোমরা কেমন আছো? You know, are you having problem? Or do you think that you should come back to Bangladesh? Our team is very strong in Nepal. You know, Pran is probably what Pran is in Bangladesh is probably the same as in Nepal. So I asked my guy, he says, sir, no need to go back to Bangladesh right now. যেখানে মৃত্যু আছে ওখানেই হবে। So these are the sacrifices. My strong HR, my team is on a daily basis to take Pran to the next level. And this is what makes Pran very successful. So earthquake in Nepal, I want to share. This is very interesting thing. People are very scared of Somalia, right? So if you are familiar, Somalia, first things that rings a bell, that is a very difficult country, right? Law and order is very bad, people get killed. But when we come to, if you tell Somalia, we love that market. You know, I love Somalia, I love Somaliland, I love, that Horn of Africa is probably even by one of the best markets that Pran has in the world. Because Pran people are there. You know, it is our people, our sales people who are from different parts of the country, who are there, who are trying to make Pran successful in that part of the world and there. So, Somalia থেকে গরু নিয়ে আসছে, ওই গরুর লঞ্চের মধ্যে প্রাণের লোক উঠাই দিছি। ওমানে ছিল, সাল্লা থেকে উঠাই দিছি, ওই লোকটা 7 দিন পরে গিয়ে চলে গেছে সোমালিয়াতে। এখন সে সোমালিয়াতে খুব সুন্দরভাবে প্রাণের পণ্য বিক্রি করে। পৃথিবীর অন্য কোনো কোম্পানির সাহস নাই ওই জায়গায় গিয়ে প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি করার, বাট আমাদের বাঙালি ভাইয়েরা, আমাদের বাঙালি বোনেরা পৃথিবীর প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলে গিয়ে প্রাণের পণ্য সামগ্রী বিক্রি করছে। দ্যাট ইজ মেকিং Pran a global company, right? So promoted brands, like say we promoted brands vigorously, right? We promote here, we promote there. আমি সবসময় লোককে বলি that we are all about brands, like say that we really work very hard to promote brands. In different medias, in different parts of the country, we try to promote brand, and we are not shy to promote a brand, and it works very well. Distribution network. So again, I've talked to you a little bit on the distribution network. আমি পৃথিবীর প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলের কিছু ছবি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো, যেখানে দেখবেন that Pran is available everywhere everywhere in different parts of the world. So distribution network happens to be one of our very important thing. Exporter trophy পেয়েছি. Pran doesn't have too much time for a lot of celebration and recognition. That's why we want to keep a low profile. But সরকার আমাদেরকে ভালোবাসে, right? So যেই সরকারই হোক না কেন, they are in love with us because we are contributing to making lives of common Bangladeshis better, right? So current status of Pran, opening new markets, we've opened new markets. আমরা সব সময় difficult market খুঁজে বের করার চেষ্টা করি। যেই মার্কেটে পৃথিবীর অন্য কোনো দেশের মানুষ যায় না, সেখানে আমাদের Pran প্রোডাক্ট খুব ভালো করে, right? Because other people are not very comfortable to be there, right? We do very well in Africa, we do very well in northeastern part of India. We'll tell you a little bit more, right? This is our KSA team, part of the team. সৌদি আরব কিন্তু বাংলাদেশের জন্য খুব ভালো ব্যবসা এবং প্রত্যেকটা সৌদি দোকানে দুইজন করে বাঙালি আছে, right? All their petrol stations are run by Bangladeshis, all their shops are run by Bangladeshis, all their drivers are Bangladeshis, all their babuchis are Bangladeshis, right? All their gardeners are Bangladeshis. So Bangladeshis products have got a wonderful market in Saudi Arabia. So we go to Saudi Arabia and we are capturing more and more and more and more sales every day, and it has been a very, very, very wonderful experience. Oman, beautiful country for us, right? Many Bangladeshis working there. This is in Angola, difficult market in the recent past. Pran does very well. And brand building activities around the world, I want to tell you what are the things that we have done. So distribution, Pran is very strong. Across the world, trying to distribute the product. So concept কি? বাংলাদেশের প্রোডাক্ট বানাবো, সস্তা প্রোডাক্ট বানাবো, অল্প খরচের প্রোডাক্ট বানাবো, যেন মানুষের ক্রয় ক্ষমতার মধ্যে থাকে। প্রোডাক্টটা বিদেশে নিয়ে যাবো ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনের মাধ্যমে, রাইট? নিয়ে নিজের ওয়্যারহাউস করে প্রোডাক্টটাকে বিক্রি করবো। প্রোডাক্টটা যদি বিক্রি কম হয় বিজ্ঞাপন করবো, right? And those are the things that I will show you right now. Different brand building exercises that we have done in different parts of the, different parts of the world.
सुबह की पहली धूप के साथ आती हो तुम, चारों ओर एक महक भर जाती हो तुम। तेरे झुमकों के छनक की आवाज जैसे वो महकता सा एक एहसास। वो शरारत भरी तेरी मुस्कान, काश तेरे साथ से रोशन होती है शाम।
दूर होते हुए भीम ने अपनों के हाथों का स्वाद, प्राणदायी शुद्ध और स्वादिष्ट मसालों की ऐसी सौगात, Pran Spice Powder.
See, why I chose this ad for you is because, like say Pran is not a Bangladeshi company anymore. We are for the world, right? So, better if the people look like you. So when you make an ad in Africa, you cannot show a Bangladeshi. You have to show so that people can relate to that type of ad. So this is some of the ad that we are running in different parts of Africa, right? So this is probably an ad that we are running again in different parts of Africa, and and people relate better, right? So Somalia te amra ad bigyapon di, so we have got ad that we are running. SARK onek bigyapon dicchi, right? So that people see it and try to run it. And basically the concept is that wherever you are, you have to show people so that people are able to relate. So this is our very successful brand in Malaysia, right? So if you go to Malaysia, any shop, you will see a product that will say juice manga. And what does juice manga mean? Juice manga means mango juice, and very popular now in every outlets in Malaysia. So Pran does that well. Again, like I said that আপনি যদি আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস বলেন যে আপনার জীবনের সফলতার একটা কারণ বলেন তো, আমার জীবনের সফলতার একটা কারণ হলো মিরাক্কেল, right? Why Miracle is shuffled for us? They've done remarkable work for us. এবং two programs of the world, Miracle and Dance Bangla Dance, has made Pran global. So even so if you want me to share how Pran did the journey from local to global, I would say that some of the beautiful ads and some of the beautiful programs in our media has really helped us to become global, right? So Dance Bangla Dance, that is there. Again, like I said that this is a very, very interesting thing. We are of the same world. আপনি আগের দিনে যদি আপনি ঢাকা থেকে রওনা হতেন, আপনার রংপুর পর্যন্ত যেতে রাত হয়ে যেত। সকাল 6টার সময় রওনা হতেন, রাতবেলা 12টার সময় আমরা রংপুর পৌঁছেছি। যমুনা দ্বীপ ব্রিজের, যমুনার যখন যখন ব্রিজ ছিল না, তখন আমরা যখন ফেরিতে যেতাম তখন অনেক সময় লাগতো ইয়েতে যেতে। এখন কিন্তু I will start from here and I will be in the night in Canada, right? So world has become very small today, right? So and if you are able to take advantage of the smallness of the world, and if you are able to take advantage of the quick connectivity that the world has to offer, I think world becomes very small. So what we do in Dubai, we take a Bangladeshi product, we promote it with a Filipino or Nepali lady, and we sell it to the consumers in GCC. And that is what world is all about. You know, like say that apnar bari kothay, nobody asks that Pran is from Bangladesh. You know how you promote the product, how does the product taste, what people think about the product, that is all that makes all the difference. So it's a Bangladeshi product with a great promotion from different parts of the world makes the product global, right? So this is a walking billboard, you know, and sometimes we try to do a lot of activities in Dubai, so GCC, different activities, different school activation programs, sales promotion in the UAE, so we have really tried to have a lot of shelf space that we're trying to capture every day, right? So Holi celebration, in, you know, like say, and you have to relate to customers. Ami Musalman Dharmalombi, right? But when you are going to sell a product to a Hindu, you have to relate to Holi, right? Because for them it's a big celebration, right? So that they're able to relate to that product. So Pran does very well in this type of activities. Again, Oman Festival, vehicle branding in the GCC is something that we do. School activation in Ghana, right? So this is an important thing that we do. Somaliland, sponsorship, vehicle branding, you know, like it's a different type of things that we do in different parts of the world. I will just quickly skip through. Okay, this is something that I like. আমার বাবা আমাকে জোর করে 1993 সালে প্রথমবারের মতো জার্মানি পাঠিয়েছিলেন। আমার দায়িত্ব ছিল আমাদের ফ্যাক্টরিতে উৎপাদিত আনারস বিক্রি করা। আমি যখন প্রথম জার্মানি থেকে নামলাম, আমাকে যারা আমার ক্রেতা ছিলেন তারা আমার সাথে দেখতে আসছে, মনে হচ্ছে যে ভাই মানে কি বলে চিড়িয়াখানার শিম্পাঞ্জির দিকে তাকায় আছে। ভাই ঘটনা কি যে ভাই তোমরা বাংলাদেশ থেকে আসছো আনারস বেচবা? You know, that was the time at that time. You know, like so the people would be very surprised that people who have heard about Bangladesh, you know, Durjog, Bonna, তারপরে ধরেন খরা, দুর্ভিক্ষ, রাইট? ওই দেশ থেকে এসে আনারস বিক্রি করতে আসছে জার্মানিতে, রাইট? সো আমরা গেলাম বিকজ আমাদের সাহস ছিল, আমাদের মনে বাসনা ছিল that we can make the company global. So now we exhibit in all the trade fairs in the world. You talk about fairs in the US, we are there. You talk about fairs in Germany, we are there. We talk about fairs in UAE, we are there. We talk about fairs in Saudi Arabia, we are there. Because we are now confident to be able to compete with anybody in the world, right? And ask you, you know, if you go to Industrial India Trade Fair in India, you will see how popular some of the Pran brands are, right? আগে খালি আমরা জুস বিক্রি করার জন্য মেলা করতাম, এখন আমরা কখনো জুস বিক্রি করার জন্য মেলা করি, কখনো ক্যান্ডি বিক্রি করার জন্য মেলা করি, রাইট? মানুষ যদি বাংলাদেশি প্রোডাক্ট খাইতে না চায়, তাকে অস্ট্রেলিয়ান নামে প্রোডাক্ট খাওয়ায়, রাইট? সো নাও উই হ্যাভ কাস্টমার্স ইন অস্ট্রেলিয়া, রাইট? সো তারা বলছে যে ভাই দেখো তোমার দেশটা খুব ভালো, বাট মানুষ কিন্তু বাংলাদেশি প্রোডাক্টের উপর নার্ভাস। আচ্ছা ভাই কোনো চিন্তা নাই, আপনি বলেন আমার প্রোডাক্ট যখন নিউজিল্যান্ডে বিক্রি করি তখন কিন্তু প্রাণ নামে বিক্রি করি না, তখন বিক্রি করি হলো মিস্টার জে। হোয়াট ইজ মিস্টার জে? আই ডোন্ট নো, বাট ইট সেলস, right? So this is how you make your company from local to global. So if you're scared, I'm not going to scare you. I'm going to sell you what you would like to consume. So this is what we do, right? So now একবার যখন প্রোডাক্টগুলো ব্র্যান্ড হয়ে গেল, so you have made the product in Bangladesh, you have exported, you have now brand হলো, উৎপাদন হলো, এক্সপোর্ট হলো, ব্র্যান্ড হলো। এখন এর পরের ধাপ শুরু করি। পরের ধাপ হলো কি ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং করতে হবে, রাইট? সো এখন হচ্ছে ম্যানুফ্যাকচারিং করতে হবে। এগুলো ভারতীয়রা মানে নিজের দেশকে খুব ভালোবাসে। You know, like say that Make in India campaign launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, probably one of the best campaign that the world has ever experienced. উনি বলছেন কি যে ভাই আমরা চাই যে ভারতের মানুষ প্রোডাক্ট বানাক। প্রাণকে বলেছে ভারত, sure, it's for the consumer. If the consumer wants made in India written on the products, so be it, because we have to feed the consumer. So now we are trying to make the products in different parts of the world. So now what we have done is, this is a factory in Agartala. As we speak today, the speaker of the Lok Sabha is visiting the Pran factory in Agartala. It's a great achievement for every Bangladeshi, right? So they come in northeastern part of India, right? So and they want to visit a Pran factory. Why? Because this is probably something that people in northeast India are very proud of. আপনি যদি আজকে যদি, you know, if you go to Siliguri, if you go to Darjeeling, where is this company from Pran? They will never know that it's from Bangladesh, but they will be able to relate to that brand called Pran in a good way, and that is what the successful thing about Pran. And so this is our Agartala factory, this is our production factory in Agartala. This is probably one of the biggest factory that we have now in the northeastern part of India. This is our factory in Nepal. You know, I love that market called Nepal. The market is growing, so now the duties are very high. So now we are able to manufacture a lot of products in Nepal. right? So we have a licensee in Nepal who produces the product in Nepal to save the duty that we have for products coming into Nepal. So this is Pran's factory in Nepal. So Pran will have another factory in Nepal very soon. So this is our factory in Kollani in Kolkata, right? So so that sometimes আমরা যখন এখান থেকে প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি করি প্রোডাক্টটা ভালো থাকে না, যদি ভারতে উৎপাদন করতে পারি ভালো থাকবে। So now Pran is gradually trying to produce products in different parts of the world. So this is some of the products that we have in India and Nepal. So these are products that we sell. It does very well. Now, what has been the achievement of the last few days, right? Last few years, many people work for Pran, many people live on Pran, many people supply products to Pran. We are very proud to contribute to the agriculture of this country, right? And my goal or our goal at Pran, our goal is Pran to make our farmers very competitive, right? So now, আজকে দিনে আমরা কাসাবা উৎপাদন করছি বাংলাদেশে। কাসাবা একটা মানে মিষ্টি আলুর মতো একটা জিনিস। এটা থেকে আমরা প্রথমে স্টার্চ বানাই যেটা গার্মেন্টস সেক্টরে ব্যবহার হয়। এটা থেকে আমরা লিকুইড গ্লুকোজ বানাই যেটা আমরা ক্যান্ডি আকারে খাই। সো দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াট কাসাবা ইজ। সো নাও আমাদের ফার্মাররা বাংলাদেশে কাসাবা উৎপাদন করে প্রতি একর প্রতি লেট আস সে 4 টন। ভারতের ফার্মাররা কাসাবা উৎপাদন করে একর প্রতি 12 টন। Right? So আমাদের কৃষকের পক্ষে এই সমস্যাগুলো সমাধান করা সম্ভব না because কৃষক does not have that resource. So now what we are trying to do, we are trying to work with a lot of farmers so to help them making more productive. So we feel that many people are involved with Pran in different parts of the country. So many people work for Pran, many contract farmers. We are there in about 124 countries of the world. So there are some markets where we are exporting today, some market that we are distributing today, and there are some markets where we are manufacturing today. So প্রথমে আমরা শুরু করি এক্সপোর্ট থেকে, তারপরে আমরা করি ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন, তারপরে আমরা শুরু করি লোকাল উৎপাদন, right? So again, like I said, that Pran is all about people, right? And we never say it is all about Bangladeshi people, right? So we are happy to say when we started our business, our corporate mission was poverty and hunger are curses. Our aim is to generate employment, earn dignity and self-respect for our compatriots through profitable enterprises. সারাংশ হলো ভাই, দারিদ্র এবং ক্ষুধা জীবনের অভিশাপ। আমাদের লক্ষ্য হলো অধিক কর্মসংস্থানের মাধ্যমে মানুষের মর্যাদা এবং আত্মসম্মান বৃদ্ধি করা। So now we do the same thing when we go to Nepal. We take a Bangladeshi guy in Nepal who is the head of the business, who runs our business, and rest of the people we hire locally and try to grow our business there. So and we try to fly the Bangladeshi flag everywhere we go. Again, like this is a summary of our journey, which I already told you, so I'll skip it. Why is it possible? Because commitment to Pran খুব high, right? So we are very committed. We are very competitive, right? So পৃথিবীর যে কোনো প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চল থেকে প্রোডাক্টের সাথে কম্পিটিশনের জন্য আমরা ভীষণভাবে প্রস্তুত। আমরা যখন চায়নার সাথে কম্পিট করি, we are very proud to say that we don't have any problem to compete with China in any product categories. So we will beat China in any product category that we have because we will become very competitive. We are very organized to the best of our abilities. We are very brand oriented. And we have got a great thing. Conclusion is Pran has a great desire, right? And our goal is to be the #1 food company in the world. People might think that we are a little bit lopsided in our goals, but that's our goal, that we want to be the #1 food company in the world. And we are working every day with a mission, and our mission is to continue to grow our company. And it is all about the 80,000 people working in our company, so I think it's a samoshtigoto work of a lot of people that are making Pran a successful company. I hope I have given you an idea how Pran is trying to become from a local to a global company in days to come. So thank you very much.